Well, I haven't done a video in a while. I wanted to make this one because this is my last ride on my bird bike. I'm giving this to my son-in-law. I'm going to be getting a fat tire foldable bike in a couple days. It should be here. With the China thing going on, it's been rough getting it, but anyway, it should be here by Friday, I'm hoping. And today is Wednesday. So, but anyway, I'm going to give this to my son-in-law. This was an okay bike. The problem with this bike was the company went out of business and you can't find the original batteries. And this was a bird bike. I covered up the bird on it where it says bird with black tape because I wanted to look more like a bicycle instead of a electric bike and less noticeable. But anyway, it's got these 29-inch wheels on it, and it's got these Kenda tires, which are good tires, but this tread, you can't go in any kind of sand or anything with this thing. You'll dump it. And so I wanted something that I could get it out and get a little more versatile with, go on trails and stuff at the state parks, which I'm at now. I'm at a state park in Florida. And so anyway, I'm going to give this to my son-in-law, and if he can find another original battery for it, you have a nice bike, because this battery's getting kind of tired. I can only get 14 miles with it, and the new one I'm going to get 60 to 80 miles. So big difference, and I can go a lot further. And so I'm going to be doing a few videos on my new bike when I get it. So I'm going to kind of change off of what I'm doing, traveling and stuff like that, and just do some videos on the bike, tell you how I like it and stuff. Because there really isn't a whole lot out there on this particular bike. The company there is, Ad Motor, but this particular bike, there's really not much out there. So I'm going to make some videos and stuff, put on YouTube, and because there was nothing on it. and anyway, we'll do that when I make the video. And but anyway, it's been a nice bike. I go to the store with it and everything like that. As long as you're on the sidewalks, you know, or the pavement, it's fine. But don't get off into gravel or anything, man. It's very hard to ride. Plus, with the carbon belt, there's no gears, and if the battery goes dead, it's a rough pedal. I mean, it's a rough pedal. So, but anyway, I'll keep you informed on the bike, and I'm gonna take one last ride on it. So let's go. Okay, my last ride, other than going to the store till the other bike comes. I gotta cross this busy highway here. There goes a fat tire bike like I'm getting. I wonder why the flag's at half-staff today. They put it at half-staff for everything anymore. When I was a kid, it was just when the president died. Yeah, I had to take off the stock seat on this. I put one on that had some springs in it, and it made a big difference. I'm probably going to put this seat on my new bike. Hope that wind isn't too bad. The wind's out of the south, and I'm headed south. But the bike is really, this bike is really quiet. It's a shame the company went out of business. And every once in a while you can find an original battery on eBay, but every time I found one it was sold out before I could buy it. And I tried buying a couple of aftermarket ones on AliExpress and Alibaba, and when I got the batteries, they threw out a code ODO, and the bike would only run for 10 seconds and shut off. So I had to send both those back. I got my refund back from Alibaba, but AliExpress ripped me off for $300. Never got my refund. Hello. So I got tired of buying batteries and not working and not getting my money back. So I said, you know, that's it. I want another bike that's I have a little more freedom with, and I can go more places. And so I decided to, because I bought my daughter an e-bike for Christmas, and then she was telling me how, you know, her husband, you know, liked to go riding with her and all that. And so I said, you know, I think I'll just give it to them. So paid a lot of money for this bike back when it was still in business. Now I think you can buy them $800-900 bucks. Back then it was double that I paid. So I got a lot of money out on e-bikes. Because you got to have original battery, because Bird was rental scooters, and I guess they had a chip in the controller, so nobody could put another battery in it and drive it off unless it was an original Bird battery. That's why these aftermarket batteries will not work. I told the guy at Alibaba, I said I bought one from AliExpress and it did not work. And he said this one will work, and it didn't either. So they just tell you whatever they want to get your money. Has mechanical brakes on it. They've been pretty good brakes. I mean, they're not hydraulic by no sense of the word, but they've been good brakes. They stop it. They don't make no noise. They don't squeak. Pretty decent brakes. There's been a good carbon brush on it too. I mean, carbon belt. Okay, so that's the last ride on this bike, other than going to the store till I get mine. And stay tuned for the next video. Please like, subscribe. Subscribing really helps. I need some subscribers. I need to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'd post a lot more videos if I could get more subscribers. Okay, I'll see you on the next video.